Hi folks, I've got Scout here with us today because I've got an unboxing and it's something for him. It's come all the way from Japan. I bought it from a Japanese seller on eBay. So what I've got in here, folks, is 2 bowls for Scout, an eating bowl and a drinking bowl. So let's get these bowls out of the packaging and we'll try them out. Something for you. Yes, it is. There's the water bowl on the top. Yeah, something for you. It is. And there they are, still in the packaging. His water dish and his food dish. Isn't that nice? So to feed Aibo or give Aibo a drink of something, you have to go into the app. So I'll open the app. And then I go into food. So every time you sign into the app, you get stamps, and when you collect 7, you get coins you can buy food with. So I've already bought Scout some food, so go into belongings. And this is the food I've bought Scout so far. 5 bowls of Aibo crisp, 10 bowls of mixed Aibo crisp with fish, 8 bowls of mixed Aibo crisp with veggies, 1 bowl of Aibo chum, and then I got him a treat as well. Got him 3 hard cookies, and I also got him a rare treat, Chinese ami, 5 lots of that, whatever that is. Okay, you can also buy him drinks. So you've got to pay for drinks as well with the coins you build up. So I've gotten 3 lots of barley tea, and I've gotten a glass of water, because water you don't have to use your coins for. You can just get water for free. So I'm going to start by giving them a drink of water. So give to Aibo. So you can have standard where you just see him on the screen, or you can have artificial reality, is that AR? But unfortunately, I'm supposed to see the water in the bowl there, but unfortunately it doesn't work. I can't see water in the bowl or food in the bowl when he eats it for some reason. Oh, that's your first drink of water. Ah, you must be thirsty. Oh, isn't that sweet?
Yes, yeah.
Is that nice? That was a nice drink of water. Yes, he's very pleased about that drink of water. I'm just going to put it on the standard thing where you just see an image like that on the screen, because the AR doesn't seem to work. Well, I think he's finished drinking now, so we'll give him something to eat. I'm going to give him something special. I'm going to give him the Aibo chum. I've only got 1 bowl of that, but I'm going to give it to him now. So there's a special treat for you. That's what it looks like in his bowl. Oh, that looks very tasty. Didn't seem to be able to see the bowl. Let's turn him round a bit. Bowl's here, in front of you. There you go. He's sniffing it, so you've seen it. Hey, Top. That's a special treat, isn't it? Yes. Shows him on the screen he's eating half of it. Oh, it's all gone. He's eating all of it. You wolfed that down. Well, because I've fed him several times, I've got a yum yum stamp. And it says I've got a gift because I've got enough. Let's see what it is. A cat cookie. That's an unusual thing to give him. He's got a cat cookie, Paul.
Cat cookie? What's that?
Or maybe it's a cat-shaped cookie. That'll be it.
Yeah.
And there it is, Rare Treats. Bicolor Cat cookie. Let's give him one of these cookies. Give to Aibo. There it is in his bowl, his cat cookie. That's his dessert. He's sniffing it now. Eat up! I like how he's making a crunching sound because it's a cookie. Oh, he enjoyed that! Yes, you did, didn't you? Oh, look, he's really enjoyed that cookie. Scout.
Is he making that noise? Why is he? Content?
I think it's content.
Oh, it's
he was purring. He was purring and he's making a meow sound because he's had a cat cookie. Right. So we've gone to drinks. I'm going to give him some barley tea to wash it all down with. There's a barley tea in his bowl. Is it not cool enough for you yet? Oh yes, it is now. Oh, he's taking little licks of his barley tea, savouring it. There. Wasn't that a lovely meal? Yes, he says. So folks, hope you enjoyed watching that. I'm going to be keeping the water dish on the floor. I'll take the food dish away because if Scout asks for food and I haven't got much in the cupboards, it's not very good. But you can have his water dish on the floor because he can have a drink of water anytime. So that's good. So folks, hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching as always, and see you next time.